Well, I think it was all a dream, as Biggie Small said when he used to read a Word Up magazine with Salt and Pepper and Heavy D up in the limousine. And
Yeah.
at that time, he was a big, huge rapper, and he's still popular to this day. Hey, I'll tell you real quick, a very fast story. I was feeling really down, as many real estate investors do, and newbies. Sometimes you're just like, where am I headed? The market's changing. What am I doing? You know, I have no money. Am I gonna be able to make this happen? Or I have money, I'm afraid to let it go. I was driving down the street, dropped my son off at school, was feeling depressed, loved the color paint of this house that I always passed by, and thought, I'm gonna go in that neighborhood and like see if I can see the house from the front, because it was a crisp white. It was just gorgeous. And of course, you know, as a flipper, I'm always thinking about colors and stuff.
Yeah.
So I went through the neighborhood and I was like, wow, I've never been through here. Now I live in Newport Beach. I live in a mobile home. It's a beautiful little mobile home, don't get me wrong, but I don't live in the neighborhood I was driving around, okay? And I was like, wow, these houses. I was taking pictures. I was feeling like, God, this is amazing. I was manifesting is what I was doing.
Yeah.
True story. True story. I had nothing at that point. I was not even sure which direction I was going to go. Of course, it's going to be real estate investing because that's my love. But I was like, do I need to start selling again? Shoot. So about 2 weeks after I did that little drive-by in that neighborhood, I don't know how it happened, but I got a text message about a property, an equestrian estate, $1 million fixer-upper, grandma's house, as they say, that was for sale through a wholesaler I knew. Did I want it? Went and looked at it. Don't know where I got the ovaries to do it, but I got the ovaries. Everyone thought I was crazy. My guy who was going to put the deposit in for me, my Gap lender, bailed the night before. I found a WREN lady who was totally down to do it with me. She put in the big, huge, non-refundable deposit, like literally 45 days later. I made a ton 45 days later. You want to know what I did to fix that house up? I picked up the mail and picked up something that the wind dropped over and met with an appraiser. And I made a lot of money, and so did the WREN lady who believed in me and did it with me. Okay,
Yeah.
that's how it was all a dream, and that's how where you are today is not where you are tomorrow. Like my tattoo says, your most powerful moment is now. Think about what you want right now. Be where you want to be. Think what you want to think right now, and you'll be there tomorrow.